Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the second part of our May Current Affairs MCQ session जिसमें हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं 16th मई से लेके 31st मई तक जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs हुए थे या जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हुए हैं उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो ये आपके आने वाले सभी एग्जाम्स में काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको हेल्प करेगा. हेंस आप प्लीज़ वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और जो भी असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको दूंगा उनको भी आप प्लीज़ आप अटेम्प्ट करिएगा. ऑलराइट, आप इन सोशल मीडिया वेबसाइट्स पर मुझसे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं एंड आपको अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ आई विल रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू प्लीज़ विजिट novation.in. Here you can find the PDFs of the lectures I'm posting on YouTube and you can also find various quizzes. Alright, और अगर आपको Novation का content अच्छा लगता है so please you can go to the donate button and help Novation survive. Alright, so I'll start today's session with that. First question for today: which of the following Indian states declared Malarkotla as the 23rd district of the state? Here the correct answer is P. पंजाब. पंजाब ने मलरकोटला को 23rd district बनाया है. Let's see the PTN. So getting Malarkotla declared as an independent district was a long pending demand of the Muslim community and the residents of the town. And this town has a predominant Muslim population. तो उनकी ये मांग थी कि इसको एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाया जाए ताकि इसको डिस्ट्रिक्ट के फ़ायदे मिल सकें. Alright. Next. Who among the following recently topped Fortune's list of world's 50 greatest leaders? फ्रेंड्स, हियर जो इस लिस्ट में टॉप किया है जिन्होंने वो है ए जसिंडा आर्डन एंड शी इज़ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड. एंड फ्रॉम इंडिया अदर पूनावाला इज़ द ओनली इंडियन हु हैज़ मेड इट into the top 10 list and he is the CEO of Serum Institute of India SII. Alright, and he is on the 10th position. Moving forward, who among the following union ministers was conferred the International Invincible Gold Medal? Friends, here the correct answer is C. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So Mr. Nishank is the Education Minister of India. So let's look at the PTN. Dr. Tony Nadar, president of Maharshi Organization Worldwide, said that Mr. Nishank has been recognized for his extraordinary commitment and outstanding service to the humanity through his writing, social and illustrious public life. Right? Next, which telecom company will construct largest submarine cable system in India? Friends, here the correct answer is D. Reliance Jio. Let's see the PTN. So Jio is in the process of deploying 2 next generation cables to support the growth in data demand across the country, and it is constructing the largest international submarine cable system centered in India. Next, which of the following states has clinched first rank for implementing smart city mission scheme in India? So out of these states, Jharkhand has become number 1 or got the first rank in implementing smart city mission. So the ranking on the progress of implementation of smart city mission scheme running in 100 cities of the country across 36 state and union territories. So पूरे almost 100 cities में ये smart city का मिशन चल रहा है. इसमें झारखंड जो स्कीम के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है उसमें टॉप करता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of these is the first state in the country to allow reimbursement of goods and services tax paid on COVID-related donations made to the state and state-run facilities? So कोई अगर डोनेशन होता है उस पर GST नहीं लगेगा. कौन से स्टेट ने ये घोषणा की है? वो है ए हरियाणा. और यहाँ पर कोविड रिलेटेड जो इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई वेंटिलेटर है या जो भी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स हैं उन पर भी अब ये GST नहीं लगेगा. ओके, सो इट हैज़ अलाउड द रीएम्बर्समेंट ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्सेस बाय कंपनीज, नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इंडिविजुअल ऑन परचेज ऑफ 15 आइटम्स रिलेटेड टू कोविड. कई सारे उसमें आइटम हैं. साथ ही साथ डोनेशंस पर भी GST नहीं लगेगा या उसका रीइम्बर्समेंट हो जाएगा. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following extinct animals in India is going to be reintroduced, very important, in the country at the Kuno National Park in मध्य प्रदेश? So कौन सा ऐसा जानवर है जो हमारे देश से बिल्कुल एक्सटेंट हो चुका था बट उसको फिर से मध्य प्रदेश में रीइंट्रोड्यूस किया जा रहा है? So here the correct answer is A, cheetah. So you will be surprised to know that the last cheetah which was spotted was in Chhattisgarh in 1947 when India got its freedom, and in 1952 cheetah was declared that it was extinct from India. Now, officials from India will be sent to South Africa for training this year, and these people will be responsible for the transportation of the cheetahs in October and November. So once these officials are trained, they'll be able to better help the officials here in order to how to care for those animals, because they'll be coming from a totally different environment, that is from South Africa, and they'll be coming to Madhya Pradesh, so they will need to adapt according to the conditions. Okay, so उसमें मदद करेगा ये चीज़ ट्रेनिंग. आगे बढ़ते हैं. The Reserve Bank of India will transfer how many crores of rupees as surplus to the central government? So friends, here the correct answer is 99,122 crore rupees will be transferred to the government of India. And one more important thing you should know is that the accounting period of 9 months ended 31st May due to the changes in Reserve Bank of India's accounting year of April-March. Earlier it was July-June. So पहले जो accounting year था RBI के लिए it was July to June, but now इसको standardize कर दिया गया है. इसको भी April to March एक financial year ही माना जाएगा. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following countries will host the next FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2022? Friends, here the correct answer is C, India. हमारे देश में ही इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाएगा. सो पहले ये 2020 में होने वाला था, बट ड्यू टू द पैंडमिक इट गॉट डिलेड, एंड नाउ इट वाज अर्लियर ऑल्सो इट वाज पोस्टपोन्ड टू 2021, बट देन इट गॉट अगेन इट गॉट कैंसल्ड, एंड नाउ इट विल बी हेल्ड इन 2022, एंड वी होप दैट COVID-19 विल बी एंडेड बाय दैट. नेक्स्ट, which of these countries has signed a 3-year joint work program till 2023 with an aim to enhance cooperation in the field of agriculture? So friends, here the correct answer is C, Israel. Israel के साथ ही ये साइन किया गया है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, एंड अंडर दिस प्रोग्राम सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस UAE will set up a program to train farmers about Israeli farm and water technologies. So Israel, being a developed country, they must be having better technology to improve the yield of the farmers and their fields. So farmers will be trained on how Israelis are doing it, so that we can also have better yield and better profits for the farmers. Next, recently the government of India has approved the opening of a new Consulate General of India in which of the following cities in 2021? So Consulate General of India जो उनका प्रोग्राम है, ये कई देशों में इंडिया ओपन करता है. इट इज़ लाइक अ मिशन फॉर सो दैट इंडिया के रिलेशन दूसरी कंट्री से अच्छे रहें. सो हियर इन डी, Adu city of Maldives will be having our new Consulate General of India. This will help augment India's diplomatic presence in Maldives and make it commensurate with the existing and inspired level of engagement. जितना अच्छा engagement हो सके दूसरे देशों से उतना अच्छा. Alright. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the Director General of Central Bureau of Investigation? Important question, guys. Here the correct answer is D, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. And he's an IPS officer. He has been appointed as the director for a period of 2 years. Okay, you can see him in the photograph. Next, who among the following bagged the any International Award 2020 for renewable energy research recently? So you can see Mr. CNR Rao in the photograph. He has got this any International Award of 2020 for renewable energy research. Next, which of the following will be the first city to get India's first sewage surveillance platform for COVID-19? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Bengaluru. So over the past year, scientists through their research have discovered that testing wastewater of the sewage can predict or is a very cost-effective way of predicting or giving an early warning system for the increase of COVID-19 cases. So Bengaluru will be the first one to be doing that. It will get a sewage surveillance system or a platform which can directly tell through the sewage water whether we might expect an increase in the infection. Okay. Next, which of the following Bollywood stars recently received a golden visa for United Arab Emirates UAE? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Sanjay Dutt. अभी गोल्डन वीज़ा क्या है चलिए देखते हैं. सो दिस सिस्टम इज एसेंशली अ लॉन्ग टर्म रेसिडेंसी फॉर 5 to 10 years. यू कैन बी रिसाइडिंग इन UAE, विच इज़ जनरली इफ़ यू लाइक गेट अ वीज़ा इट इज़ नॉट दैट लॉन्ग. आप इतने ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक नहीं रह सकते, बट हियर दे आर अलाउइंग इट फॉर 5 to 10 years if you have a golden visa. to people belonging to certain groups like investors, entrepreneurs, individuals, and with outstanding talent such as Sanjay Dutt, he's a famous actor, and even researchers, medical professionals, and those within scientific and knowledgeable field, and maybe remarkable students also. Okay, so you can get such a golden visa if you apply, and you can live there for almost 5 to 10 years with that visa. Next, in which of the following countries will the remaining matches of IPL season 2021 will take place? So it will be taking place in United Arab Emirates, UAE. And Board of Cricket Control of India, we are decided to look for a September-October window to host the remaining matches of the 14th IPL season in UAE. And this was decision was taken because of pandemic. Who among the following former cricketers has written the book Stargazing: The Players in My Life? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Mr. Ravi Shastri. He has written this book, and in this book he'll be talking about some 60 extraordinary talented cricket players who he has met from across the world, and those players have inspired him. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी आर ऑन द असाइनमेंट पार्ट. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस को सर्च करिए, इनके बारे में और ज़्यादा जानकारी पाइए, एंड आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर बताइए. फर्स्ट इज, हु हैज़ बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड विद दिस ईयर स्पेन्स प्रिंसेस ऑफ एस्टूरियास अवार्ड इन द सोशल साइंस कैटेगरी. Next, according to government, which country emerged as the top 3 largest source of FDI into India during 2021 with inflows of USD around 17.4 billion? So आप मुझे बताइए उन तीनों countries के नाम. ठीक है. Name the film which bagged Grand Jury Prize for Best Short Film at the Indian Film Festival for Los Angeles. Okay. So आप मुझे इन तीनों का आंसर कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए. Then I'll tell you the correct answer. Okay. So with that, friend, we come to an end to this exciting session. I hope आपने इससे कई सारी चीज़ें सीखी होंगी, and thanks a lot for watching it till the end. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, verbal ability, etc. And अगर आपने अभी तक novation.in पर visit नहीं किया है, so please visit it. You can get various quizzes, you can get the PDFs of the lectures, and also if you like the content of Novation, you can go ahead and support by going to the donate button. Alright friends, so with that I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye, and please take care.